So for the fringe, you're going to want to cut some pieces however long you want your fringe to be. And I usually take them 2 at a time. So you're going to want to take a crochet hook. And I flip it to the back side. And then just go in. You fold that in half. Pull your fringe through, wrap it around, and then pull that through. Tighten it up. And there you have your fringe. So just do that all the way along, and then on the other side, and then you are finished. I'll do one more. So you take your fringe, fold it in half, pull that through, tighten that up. And then when you're done putting it all through, you can trim the edges. And then you're done.